Good morning, babes! So, today is another busy day. Since Saturday ngayon, I have a lot of things to do and it's a week before finals. Magko-commit lang ako. So, I'm going back to Manila to meet up with my friends kasi we're going to Antipolo! Yes! Kasi we're supposed to observe at least 5 artworks for our course in Pintua Museum and write a written report about it. So, let's get ready with me for another busy day ahead. Haru! So, this is my final look. I forgot my other makeup sa dorm, but I'm glad that I made things work. So, yeah, this is my final look. So, for now, I'm going to change into my clothes that I'm going to wear for Antipolo. So, see you guys! Hi! So, sorry for the mess. I'm going to clean this up, I swear. So, this will be my outfit. But since I'm going to commute, I will be wearing this sweater. So, like, I can cover myself up. Here's the look. And I'll just wear some accessories and I'll be done. And of course, I'll clean up.
To be young and in love in New York City. To not know who I am, but still know that I'm good long as you're here with me. To be drunk and in love in New York City. Midnight into morning coffee.
This 2025, what have been the highlights and the lowlights of the past year for you? Highlights? Nakilala ko kayo? Legit yun. Nakikinig ba kayo?
Ano ka, manuray?
Puro I love you? Ano ba yun?
What holiday traditions are important to you that you'd like us to keep going in the future? Kahit sa family. Lahat
Sa akin, tradition, siguro kahit simple dinner lang or lunch with them na magkakasama. Yun lang sa akin. Oo.
Same.
Kami hindi. Kapag ka nag-New Year kami, hindi pumupunta kami ng... Saan yun? Basta yung mataas na flyover. Tapos nanonood kami ng
Fireworks. Ang ganda yun.
Kasi buong city, makikita mo nagpapaputok ng fireworks.
Oo nga. Tapos,
Lagi yun.
pagkadating ng 1 AM, grabe yung usok, no?
What similarities do you want to
I-pan mo sa akin yung camera.
Oo, ay naman.
Kung tumapak sa gasol, akala mo. Naka-sports mode kasi ako kaya maingay.
So, this is us 30 minutes before arriving to the museum. Inabot kami ng buong hapon, guys.
Ang traffic kasi talaga.
I know, so traffic.
3 hours, 2 hours yung ano natin.
Oo. Girl, kanina pa ako nagbibiyahe mga 11, 12. Let's say 12. Tapos it's almost 6 PM. Shucks.
I relocate so you can smoke on the mountain while you can take like
Going back to Honolulu
just to get that Maui. Going back to Honolulu just to get that Maui.
Hindi naman yung fantasy kung masagasaan ng e-bike. Nakita sa likod tayong lahat eh. Para makapag-focus siya eh. Nakikimawi-wawi rin eh. Pagka dito sinikay, doon ako sa likod. Tapos mag-isa siya dyan.
Guys, after, how many hours was that? 3 hours? After 3 hours, we finally arrived sa Pinto. Kaya, let's go!
Touchdown 6 PM.
It's 6 PM, guys. So, we're at Pinto na. And before we start, we're going to CR muna. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty here. Yeah. Medyo nakakatakot ka! Sabay kaming Daddy is crying. We're Here's the first room. So I think we're at the gallery 4, gallery 5. Wait! Pause muna. Te, ang layo ko naman. Nasa gallery 2, gallery 3 kami. Di ko alam kung saan galing yung 5 and 4. Nanditong part kami. And it's actually bigger than it looks like. So pretty here. Maganda pala siya pag sa gabi. After this, we'll be going to the forest part. And the next gallery 7. Nasa na kayo yung future boyfriend ko? Pumupogi na to sa tingin ko. Pumupogi ko sa tingin ko, guys. So, we're at the lower gallery 4. And puro modern artwork. At least from what I'm seeing. Look. This is like my dream. He's taking a picture of me. Stop! Wow! Bro, look at this guy. Look at this guy. Oh, girl. It's a real skull. Headhunter's prize. Idol is there. It's so dark here. Ano si Nabi? Hi, Nabi!
Nakakota na ako, nakalimutan na ako.
The finance team, where's finance? And our finance team is led by our chief financial officer.
Led by our chief operations officer, Yvonne Steele.
Nakakatakot dito. Bro, look at that. So, we're going home early. Hindi namin nabigyan ng chance to look at the main gallery, which is gallery 7, because it was rented by an event right now. Grabe yung pawis ko. Pero yan, we're just going to grab drinks outside. Since our goal din naman is to look for 5 artworks, which we already did. So next time na lang. So fast forward ko na lang, guys. I'm kinda tired. Let's go! So we're going to order food na. Finally, the first meal of the day. These vegetables, guys. Mas malapit sa views. Yep. You can literally see Rockwell over there. Here's my forever sitmate. Yona. Hi, vlog. Finally, the food is here. We ended up ordering the same food, which is ito pagkain namin. Di joke. Bangus. Ay, daing na bangus. Yan. Ang sarap! First meal of the day. Ang sarap! I can't wait to devour. CR muna kami before we go back to Manila. Let's go! We're going home.
Pwede mo siyang sabayan ng ibang order. Tapos regular kahit ano.
Hi guys, so katatapos lang namin magbawi-wawi. Tapos tumawag si Papa. Hinahanap na ako. I'm scared. 10 PM last trip namin. I mean 10 PM yung last trip sa Bawing Bulacan. Wala na akong masasakyan. By the way, Yano is sleeping. Our Maui Wawi. She's there. Hindi lang nakikita kasi gabi na. It's dark. Pero nandito siya. Yan, ito siya. Ito siya.
Akit, bumababa na yun.
Naka-video na?
Oo.
1, 2, 3.
Go! Hi! So, ayan, pinagalitan ako ni Papa. Grabe kasi yung traffic as in. Girl, 6 hours. Ay, hindi, 5 hours. 5 hours. Tapos sa Manila pa rin kami. Hindi umuusad yung traffic. So,
Then, sa Antipolo pa rin.
hindi, 3 hours lang yun na sa Antipolo na stock.
Ah, oo.
Tapos ang ending yan, dito ako sa kanila matutulog.
Sobrang small.
Grabe, as in, pinagalitan ako ni Papa. Takot na ako sa kanya noon eh.
Wala kasi siyang masasakyan, guys. So,
Wala na akong, naka-cut off na talaga yung uwian.
last resort niya na is talagang matulog.
Mag-in-drive. Hindi mag-in-drive.
Drive, pero delikado.
So, dito ako matutulog. Kasi uuwi din ako bukas. Galit si Papa.
Kailangan naman.
Ay pa, sorry. Sorry talaga pa. Oh my gosh. Hindi na talaga ito mauulit. Promise, magiging mabait na talaga ako this Christmas. That's my New Year's resolution na tutupad sa oras.
Show me how you care.
And we're back home. So, ayun nga, I'm currently babysitting this little guy here. Say hi. Love, say hi. Hi! So, nakauwi na ako ng 1 PM. Kaya I've been out for 24 hours. Kaya, ayun. Reasonable din naman kung ba't ako pinagalitan and I'm currently banned from going out for now. Yeah, I hope to see you soon on my next vlog. Kung sakaling pwede na ako ulit lumabas. That's it for today. Bye! Say bye-bye, love. Love, say bye-bye.